3rd of December. Today's the love. Today's the love. And it's Christmas. And nandito kami sa Hilary's. Hindi kami niya. What do you call that? Crabs? Lobsters. So, we are one who can cook it.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Nagbilan namin ng lobsters kasi gusto ng husband ko is yung fresh. And then we are the one who's gonna cook the lobster. Kaya ayaw niya yung kakain sa labas, tas doon lulutuin. Mas prepare niya yung siya yung magluluto. So, ayun yung husband ko. So excited. Okay guys, saan ba kayo sa Christmas? Kami sa bahay lang kami. Ayan, ang dami nang nagsisi. Pakita ko sa inyo. Dami na nila magpipick up ng lobsters. Ayan, ayan. Dito kami magpipick up ng lobsters. I'm so excited. We buy also the last time?
Yeah.
Last year? No, I mean last year.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did.
Mhm.
So guys, doon kami pupunta sa may kukunin namin yung lobster. Bali, nag-order kami through online. So, pipick upin na lang namin siya today. So guys, ayun yung dadali namin. Tatlo lang naman yung kinuha namin, pero feeling ko tatalon siya. Ayan. So, yeah, let's go. So go. Nandito na kami. Hello, fishing. This is the fishing well. Yeah. Yep. Fishing well. And then, dun kami kukuha ng lobsters. Ayan na mala. So actually yung iba, meron silang dalang boat nila. Tapos sila yung kukuha ng lobsters nila. Eh kami wala kaming boat. So might as well to what do you call that? To buy dun sa nagbebenta. And guys, summer today, look at that. Swimming kasi maganda yung weather. Ito yung boat na nagbebenta ng lobsters. And then, ito yung line niya. Nagagawin sila. Yeah, my husband.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Right. Yeah. There you go. So guys, may kababayan doon. Nakakatawa naman. Ay, meron na kaming for cooking tree.
Are on that boat.
Huh?
Make you think how many lobsters are on that boat.
Yeah. So, ang daming nagsisipuntahan, guys. Uy, uy, it's moving. I feel it. Tatlo lang. Tatlo lang siya kasi malaki naman eh. Actually, ko rin pa talaga yung asawa ko. Kaya ganyan. So we're happy nga kasi this is our Noche Buena on Christmas. So, yeah. And husband is the one who's gonna do the morning recipe. So this is the one gonna do that. Let's see, and then I'm gonna show you the result of that. Yeah, so see you later. Ooh. Yan ang sasakyan namin. Sasakyan namin ng aking asawa. So, hindi pa binuksan. Lang natin dito, and yeah, we're done. Guys, mamimili na kami ngayon kasi bukas maraming tao, and then sa 25 sarado ang shopping center, so bumili na kami today. Ngayon pa na punuan na yung parking lot. So, lahat ay nagsisibilihan na ng kanilang mga stuff for Jesus' birthday. So, dito na kami sa loob. Actually, marami na tao. Ano pa lang, 9:56 ng morning. So guys, bili ako ng flowers. So akala ko nasa labas, sa loob pala. So guys, pag bumili ako ng 12 pack, ako lang ang kakain. Dapat ano lang, mga dalawa. And nabili ko, and what else?
Only like last 5 minutes.
Okay. Papalitan. guys, we're gonna banana this because just only one. I want to cook something. And pili lang ako ng tigisa. Ayun yung asawa ko. Namimili din siya. Spaghetti. Guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Kararating lang namin. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung lobster again. I keep on telling to my husband it's crabs. But he keep on telling to me that's not crabs, it's lobsters. Hey, you! Sabi niya sa ako, okay, keep them yarn. Tapos, bumili kami ng flowers. For Jesus' birthday. So, lalagay ko na siya sa beets. Just leave it there. I'm gonna eat that one.
Wow.
I'm gonna eat that one as well. Yung kinuha ko kanina, rose. Sabi niya, mamamatay ka agad yan. Palitan mo. O, di pinalitan ko. So, ito na ang pinalit ko. Which is true naman. So, hindi natin ang pagbabayad. Beautiful. There you go. So, kunin ko yung isa kong, tawag dito, yung isa kong base para separate ko yung iba. So, yun lang guys. Be kind. Thank you for watching. Bye. Advance Merry Christmas.